Good morning, children. Welcome back. Children, in our previous session, we had discussed the process of transpiration. And we had also come to a conclusion that leaves of the plant lose water in the form of vapor through the process of transpiration. Now, children, today we will find out the presence of starch in a leaf. This is also given in your book in the form of an activity. Children, if you remember, this same experiment we had performed in lesson number 2 when we were discussing components of food. Okay. Now, since we know that the leaf of the plant prepares food for the whole plant, now we will find out the presence of starch in a leaf. Okay. For this experiment, what you will need? You will need a leaf, healthy green leaf, that you will keep it in a test tube. Then you will pour spirit so that the leaf is immersed in spirit. Then you will take a beaker, fill it half with water, and then keep the test tube along with spirit in that beaker. Then you will heat the beaker. Okay, you go on heating the beaker till the green color of the leaf is completely removed. Actually, what you are doing, you are bleaching the leaf. Okay, then let the leaf cool it. Then you wash it with cold water. Keep the leaf in a petri dish, and then you add few drops of iodine solution. What you will find? You will find that the color of the leaf changes to bluish black. This experiment proves the presence of starch in a leaf. Now children, if you want to find out whether the leaf has prepared the starch and not received from any other part of the plant, how will you do it, or how will you find out? This can be done, the same activity can be performed with little variation. What you will do? You will take a healthy potted plant and keep it for about 1 or 2 days in a dark room. After 2 days, what you will do, on one portion of a leaf, you will cover it with black paper, and then this potted plant which was kept in a dark room for about 2 days, you will bring it out and keep it in sunlight for about whole day, for about 1 day. Okay. Then after 1 day in the evening, if you remove this leaf, and you will perform the same starch test for this leaf. That is, you will take this leaf, immerse it in spirit, boil it, allow it to cool, and then same starch test, that is, you will pour few drops of iodine solution on this leaf, in which a portion was covered with black paper. Okay. When you will pour few drops of iodine solution on this leaf, you will find that this portion which was covered with black paper did not turn bluish black, while the other portion of the leaf which was exposed to sunlight turned bluish black. Thus we come to a conclusion that it is the leaf that prepares food for the plant. Okay, in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll and carbon dioxide, water. But since this part of the leaf did not receive sunlight, therefore it was not able to prepare food. That was, it was not able to prepare starch. Okay, I hope children this is clear to you. Till then, thank you and God bless.